Braden Shaw here from Burns 1876. Our friends at Illume Connect have asked me to take a little time and review some of the products that we have in the shop from Texas Leather Goods. Texas Leather Goods is a wholesale leather supplier that has a big emphasis on hair-on cowhides, but they have some other products we use from them as well. Let's jump over and take a look at some of the products we have here in the shop. Let's start with Texas Leather Goods' signature product, the natural hair-on cowhide. They have hundreds of thousands of square feet of this in stock in all different colors and shapes and size. They really are one of the premier distributors in the United States of this product. What we're looking at here is a nice brindle cowhide. Personally, we like them in our shop with a little shorter hair like this. They're great for rugs, home decor like pillows. You can make chaps out of them, different accent items, rope cans, things like that. There's a lot of uses for this product. And for a natural cowhide, it has a nice handle to it too. So if you are going to use it for something like a pair of chaps or pillows, it has a good hand to it. It's tanned really nice and super soft and supple. If you haven't tried working with cowhide in one of your projects, a natural cowhide, you should give it a try. There will be a little bit of a learning curve as you're cutting out the pattern and having to trim back the edges of the hair, but it's a fun product to work with. And Texas Leather Goods really does have an amazing selection, and you can check out all the different colors and varieties that they offer on their website. Now let's jump on to another one of their products, which are the embossed cowhides. So these are a nice natural cowhide. Again, tanned nicely with a nice soft, supple feel. It's about a 3-4 ounce with a nice medium soft temper. We use it a lot here in the boot shop for embossed boot tops, definitely handbags, pillows, any small accessories, but it just has a really good feel to it. And they have a ton of different colors. This one's called the Cowboy Tool. You see it's kind of pays homage to that Sheridan style tooling. It's just a really great brown with some lighter accents. It's a fun leather to work with. They have different bright colors. Another thing that they carry are these smooth leather hides. This is a side here, but they're nice big, clean sides. We've got this is what they call the Desert Mojave, and it's a nice oily pull-up leather with quite a bit of wax. So you can see you get a good hand here and a good pull up and a good patina. It's about a 2-3 ounce with medium, well, a soft to medium temperament. Really great for bags and pillows again. We use it for boots. The nice thing about this leather is it has this natural look, but if it does get some scratching to it, you know, that oil, you can just readjust it, and a little bit of pressure and heat and rubbing it around, it'll go away. So you get those nice highs and lows and the accents in the leather. There's a lot of colors like this. Our clientele likes the rustic look, and Texas Leather Goods has a lot of that product for us, either the oily pull-ups, the waxy, the distressed, or the heavy grain out type product. And it's just really good, clean cutting surfaces, good hides. One product that we just received from them, started using, is their veg tan sides. So these veg tan sides, what we've got here is a 2-3 ounce weight. And in the shop, we would use this for liners from the backs of our hat bands to backs of spur straps. They also have a 3-4 that we would use for tooling boot tops and things like that. But you've got nice clean sides. It's a mid to light color. You know, there are some of those veg tan sides that are really light, that if you're gonna paint on, maybe the paint pops a little bit better, but we always add dyes and antiques to it, and this colors up really nice for us. But if you haven't given any of their veg tan a try, make sure you do that. Good clean sides, tool up nice, and just have a nice feel to them. You know, they're a little bit softer temperament, but really good clean sides. Thanks for checking out this review. Make sure you follow our friends at Illume Connect. And if you're interested in more information about Texas Leather Goods, please check in the description below.